In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about creating social proof items in sites done right. Simple to add, easy to consume, and yet packing a powerful punch is our social proof items. Explained in the easiest way possible, this is a rolling anchor of all interactions carried out in your business. So whether it be a sign up, a completed project, a recently issued quote, or even a recurring transaction, you can make your website visitors feel more compelled to engage with you by the philosophy of fear of missing out, or FOMO. So start to build trust and turn around quicker decisions with this user-friendly component. To create a new social proof item, you can either use the quick create button by hovering over the plus symbol at the top of the page and clicking on social proof item, or alternatively, you can go to social from the sidebar menu and click social proof items. On the page that loads, you'll have options to build a new social proof item using our intuitive wizard, or create a blank social proof item by clicking on the quick add button, which is what we'll do in this video. So let's click on the quick add button, and the new social proof item will be built automatically for you. You can choose from here to edit the title and details of this social proof item by clicking on admin edit. Once the edit screen loads for your social proof item, you can add a system title, which is used by you as an administrator and makes it easier for you to find and search for social proof items within your dashboard. Let's put a title in there now. Next, you can get a walkthrough of building a social proof item by clicking on the quick tour icon, or read more help about this page by clicking on the help icon. The quick tour is especially useful as it will dynamically walk you around creating a new social proof item step by step. So let's do that now. You'll get an overview of the social proof meta box and the value that it adds, which we've discussed in this video already. You'll be asked to include the client name, whether this is a brand or an individual. You'll be asked to include a thumbnail image, so that's either the logo of the business or a headshot of the client in question. So let's add a picture in for the moment. Next up, you'll be asked to choose the type of social proof that you're adding, and there's a few options available to you. You'll be able to pick a paid subscription if this is a monthly or recurring action or social proof. You'll be able to choose a product or service purchase if you'd prefer to just include the name of the product or service that was provided. Or you can choose custom text to write any custom description to cover what the action was. For example, the number of website visits that took place, someone attending an event, or anything else. In this case, we'll go for a product or service purchase. You'll include a description for the product or service in question. So in this case, I'll put in a roof repair. And lastly, you can include the date that this social proof action took place. So I'll change this to be the 1st of January. And our system will automatically work out from today's date how many days, hours, minutes, seconds, weeks, months in the past the action took place. Once you've completed those steps, you'll have options to save your page as a draft if you're not ready to do any additional changes or make this social proof item live. Or you can click the publish button to publish this change immediately, which we'll do in this instance. To see this in practice, let's visit the front end of the website. And what we'll see in the footer of the page is a rolling ticker bar that shows Acme Co made a purchase of roof repair. And based on today's date, it was 12 days ago. So you can add as many social proof items as you'd like to your website to encourage more users to take action quicker. Thanks for watching.